break into pieces. To break into pieces, write here 5. Write here 5. To break into pieces. Fall apart 5. Sixth one. Are you all ready? Come on, write faster. Give up to stop trying. Give up to stop trying. I have given up means I have stopped trying. Give up to stop trying. Write there number 6. Let down, to be disappointed. Let down, to be disappointed. Right here 7. He let down me. म्हणजे त्याने मला disappoint केलं. त्याने मला नाराज केलं, nervous केलं. Let down, to be disappointed. 7. 8. To tolerate something. 8. Put up with, to tolerate something. Tolerate means bear with it. Put up with, to tolerate something. Write here 8. Ninth one. Take after. To resemble somebody. Take after, to resemble somebody. Write here 9. 10th one. Try out. Which is left now? Tell me. Try out. To test. Write here 10. Write here 10. Now I'm going to read out these numbers. You just check whether the numbers are correct or not. Okay. Listen here. First is 3, 5, then 7, 8, 9, 1, 6, 10, 2, 4. So even if you have not done or missed out anything, now you can write it. Okay. Now see here, children. First, I'm going to tell you the meaning quickly. Okay. First, what they have told you, fill in the blanks and use the phrasal verbs given in the boxes. Now, the first, I'm going to first talk about these words and then we'll fill it up. Now, brought up means what? You care when you are bringing up someone, isn't it? And this is actually the past participle of a verb. You can say now, break is a word and bring is a verb and brought is a past tense. It is past participle, means third, like first the verb, then past tense, and then the past participle. So brought up is a past tense or a past participle of a bring. तुम्ही bring up the children. असं म्हणता की means taking care. Okay. Now look after, also taking care. Okay. Came across, meet someone. Past tense of come. It is past participle. Come across म्हणजे कोणाला तरी भेटणं. Meet someone. Okay. Then the word is make up. To forgive someone. Make it up. To forgive someone. विसरून कोणाच्या काही गोष्टी विसरून टाकायच्या. Broke into. Broke into, shattered. Isn't it? Broke into म्हणजे shattered, crushed म्हणजे एकदम कंटाळून थकून जाणं. Then count on. Rely on. I count on my friend that he is going to help me out. Isn't it? Rely on. Okay. So now these are all the meanings and now we are going to write it. Hello, you all think and tell me. The thieves dashed the house when the Sharmas had gone for a holiday. What will be the answer? First will be broke into. First will be broke into. त्यांनी घर फोडलं ना. Broke into. We dash many rare species of birds in the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. What is it, the children? What will be the phrase there? What will be the phrasal verb there? Came across. आम्हाला दिसले बरेच. Came across. Despite many problems, Rachana dashed her children. She had many problems, but still, what did she do? She brought up her children. तिने त्यांची काळजी घेऊन त्यांना वाढवलं. ओके. माय sister is very reliable. I can count on her. Rely on her means, okay. Count on her whenever I am in trouble. We must look after our pets. We must look after, taking care. We must look after our pets. The swimmer tried to make up for the time that he had lost in the beginning. Make up, त्यांनी cover up करायचा प्रयत्न केला. The swimmer tried to make up for the time that he had lost in the beginning. Okay, now only first two I am going to talk to you, first three, and then you will complete it. You have to complete the words. First will be what? Charming. CHARMING, charming. Fill in the blanks to complete the words from the story. Okay. Charming. First is charming. CHARMING. Fragrance. Next is fragrance. FRAGRANCE. And the next is velvety. 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 Now others we are going to write. Okay. Now children, today we are going to see about genders. Okay. Last year you have seen these, you know about genders actually. Genders tell us the sex, means whether linga. In Hindi also you have seen that. Means whether that person you talk about is a masculine or feminine. म्हणजे male आहे का female आहे. Okay. And the genders tell us that. So today we are going to talk about the feminine and masculine gender. Masculine gender means male. Okay. Male category means who? Boy, then daddy, then the he, him. Then you can say the drone. Drone means the माशी असते की नाही, त्याचा जो male असतो, DRONE. Okay. So that is again a male gender. And the female gender, you talk about the females. Mother, then she, Reena, B. Now I talked about B. B is a female gender and drone is a male gender. Okay. So masculine and feminine. Now we are going to write here. Come on, read out A, grammar part. Write the feminine counterparts for the masculine genders given below. Are you all ready? Okay. Now see this. HEIR, children, hair. Means what you know? Means property ज्याला मिळते पुढचा जो जनरेशनचा असतो त्याला म्हणतात hair. And the masculine is hairess. I'll tell you the spelling. HEIRESS. HEIRESS. Second one, HEIRESS. Then son. Feminine is daughter. Feminine is daughter. DAUGHTER. DAUGHTER, daughter. Then monk. Monk म्हणजे children in our temples, जसे पुजारी वगैरे असतात की नाही, like that the Buddhists, they have the monks. They have the monks, isn't it? And that is a masculine gender. Feminine gender is a nun. NUN, nun. NUN, nun. Third one, nun. Third one, nun. Fourth one, poet. A male. Female is poetess. 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 ऐक 10 मिनिटं उरली म्हणतोय हा परत. हा, मास्टर. मास्टर म्हणजे हेड कशाचं तरी. तुम्हाला माहितीये मास्टर शब्द तुम्ही वापरता. ही इज मास्टर ऑफ समथिंग और ही लाईक दिस वर्ड यू ऑल नो मीन्स द हेड ऑफ समथिंग. अँड दिस इज अ masculine, feminine is mistress. M-I-S-T-R-E-S-S, mistress. M-I-S-T-R-E-S-S, mistress is a feminine gender. Nephew, बादशा ज्याला तुम्ही म्हणता, तुमच्या आत्याचा मुलगा, तुमच्या काकाचा मुलगा. आणि नीज म्हणजे बाची, N-I-E-C-E, नीज. N-I-E-C-E, niece. Hero, you know the word very well. Heroine, H-E-R-O-I-N-E. H-E-R-O-I-N-E. Heroine. Heroine. Uncle, aunt. Uncle, aunt. Children, now I'll be giving you only this word and you are going to complete writing sentence part once our lecture gets over. Okay? Because if we go on writing this, then it will take too much of time and we need to, move ahead with the portion also. So the underlined word, first very important part is, children, read the heading very carefully. So read the heading. Come on, you all start reading. Rewrite the sentences given below with the opposite gender of the underlined nouns. Okay? So opposite gender we are going to write. Underlined genders they have given. I will be giving you only the word, only the opposite gender, which you will write over here, and the rest completion part of the sentence you will do it when the period gets over. Okay? Okay, come on, hurry up now. For cow, you write here bull. B-U-L-L, bull. For cow, bull. Bull is a masculine gender. Now, hen is a feminine gender and the masculine gender is cock. Masculine gender is cock. C-O-C-K. C-O-C-K. Now, the next is, this is masculine gender, male. That's a horse, okay, adult horse. Stallion is an adult horse, male gender. And the masculine is mare, M-A-R-E. M-A-R-E. Fourth one, stepson, masculine. Stepson म्हणजे तुम्ही काय म्हणता त्याला मराठीत, सावत्र मुलगा. आणि ही आता आपल्याला masculine, feminine gender लिहायचंय. Step daughter, S-T-E-P, daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. नाव गव्हर्नर म्हणजे राज्यपाल. आपले जे राज्यपाल आहेत ना, ती पोस्ट गव्हर्नर. हे दिलेलं आहे जेंडर. दिस इज अ मॉस्क्युलाइन. यू आर गोइंग टू राईट द फेमिनाइन जेंडर, गव्हर्नेस. G-O-V-E-R-N-E-S-S. G-O-V-E-R-N-E-S-S. Someone is still scribbling. Please stop scribbling here on the board. Why are you scribbling? Every day one has to say or what? Sixth one. The businessman was robbed last night. Okay. This is a masculine gender. Feminine gender is a business woman. So business word you copy down. B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S and W-O-M-A-N, woman. Then drake, that's a male duck. Male duck. Drake means male duck. And now you have to write the feminine gender, duck here. Go on next. 8th one. Today we have to finish this, children. I don't know. Less time is there. Huh? Now 8th one. Wizard. Wizard, you all know. The ugly magic trick. The one who goes for it, isn't it? Okay. Wizard and the witch is, wizard is a masculine gender. Feminine gender is a witch. W-I-T-C-H. W-I-T-C-H. Witch. Shepherd, ones who rears the ships, isn't it? म्हणजे मेंढपाळ मराठी. Okay. This is a masculine gender. We are going to write a feminine gender. Shepherdess. S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D-E-S-S. Who is coming now? Swapnil, you always come late. The period is getting over, Swapnil, now. Shepherdess. Shepherd spelling you right, and then E-S-S. Okay. Now the next one. My neighbor is a bachelor. Bachelor means the one who is not married yet. And this is the masculine gender, spinster. Right there, spinster. S-P-I-N-S-T-E-R. S-P-I-N-S-T-E-R. Spinster. You want to try now? Come on, try the genders on your own. Write the gender for the following. Choose the boxes. Filly, buck, hind, gander, bee, ram, roe, horse. I'm going to tell you each of it. Don't worry. Come on, just try to think for a while. Let me see how much you all can think. There is some more work left. Huh? Chalo, hurry up, children. It may end soon. I don't know, because this is showing me the less time now. Okay, now first is a door. Okay, this is again about a deer. And here the masculine is buck. Masculine is buck. B-U-C-K. Right here, B-U-C-K. Colt is a young horse. Is a young horse. Okay. Colt is a young horse. And here you are going to write filly. F-I-L-L-Y. F-I-L-L-Y. Second one, F-I-L-L-Y. About this third one I had told you when I was talking to you about masculine and feminine, right? You write here B, B-E-E. Goose, feminine. Gander is masculine. G-A-N-D-E-R, gander. G-A-N-D-E-R, gander. Fifth one, hart, is again a male deer, children. Hart is again a male deer. And you are going to write here R-O-E, roe. R-O-E. Hart, roe. R-O-E, roe, for a feminine. This is a ship, okay, feminine ship. So here you are going to write ram. Ram is a male sheep. Male sheep. R-A-M. Stag. Seventh one, stag. Again, adult deer, which has different type of horns. You all know it well. Hind. H-I-N-D. H-I-N-D. Mare is a feminine gender of a horse. Write here horse. H-O-R-S-E. H-O-R-S-E. Now look here. Pipe, ripe, wipe, gripe, stripe, wipe, swipe. These are all the phonics. You all know it very well, that the rhyming words. How do we all spell it out, isn't it? Now see this.